Hello, warriors. Power influences every aspect of life, from careers and businesses to friendships and leadership. The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene explores timeless principle of influence by drawing lessons from history, politics, war, and human psychology. Rather than telling readers what is morally right or wrong, the book examines strategies that powerful individuals have used to gain, maintain, and protect their position. Whether you agree with every law or not, understanding them can help you recognize manipulating, improve your decision making, and navigate complex social and professional situations with greater awareness. Law number 1. Never outshines the master. People in positions of authority often want to feel respected and valued. If you constantly display your intelligence or achievements in a way that makes your superior feel inferior, that may begin to see you as a threat instead of an asset. Present your abilities with confidence while allowing those above you to receive recognition for their leadership. By understanding the importance of ego and respect, you can build trust, create stronger relationships, and open more opportunities for long-term success. Law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friendships are valuable, but they can sometimes lead to favoritism, jealousy, and unrealistic expectations. Former rivals, on the other hand, may work harder to prove their loyalty because they have something to gain. The law encourages judging people based on their actions, abilities, and reliability, rather than personal closeness. Strong professional relationships are built on mutual respect, competence, and accountability, regardless of whether someone started as a friend or an opponent. Law number 3. Conceal your intentions. Revealing every detail of your plan can invite interference, competition, or unnecessary criticism. By keeping your long term goals private until the right moment, you reduce the chances of others disrupting your progress. This does not mean being dishonest, but rather exercising discretion. Careful planning and strategic communication allow you to stay focused while preventing others from using your own plans against you. Law number 4. Always say less than necessary. People often reveal too much when they speak excessively, creating opportunities for misunderstanding or criticism. Speaking with purpose makes your word more valuable and encourages others to pay closer attention. Remaining calm and thoughtful also projects confidence and emotional control. Instead of trying to dominate every conversation, listening carefully and choosing your words wisely often leaves a strong and more lasting impression. Law number 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. A person's reputation shapes how others perceive them before they even had a chance to prove themselves. A reputation for honesty, competence, and reliability can open doors, while damaged reputation can create obstacles that are difficult to overcome. Since trust takes years to build but only moments to lose, protecting your character through consistent actions and ethical behavior is one of the most valuable investments you can make. Law number 6. Quote attention at all costs. In a competitive world, being talented is often not enough. If no one notices your work, visibility creates opportunities by helping others recognize your abilities. However, attention should come from meaningful achievements, creativity, or positive contribution rather than reckless behavior. Build a strong personal presence allows your ideas and accomplishments to receive the recognition they deserve while strengthening your influence. Law number 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take responsibility. Successful leaders understand that great achievements are rarely accomplished alone. Delegating tasks to people with the right skills allow projects to be completed more effectively while freeing you to focus on larger goals. However, true leadership also means accepting responsibility for the final outcome and giving proper credit to those who contributed. Collaboration creates stronger results than trying to do everything yourself. Law number 8. Make other people come to you. Use attraction instead of chasing. Constantly pursuing people or opportunities can place you in a weaker negotiating position. By developing valuable skills, offering unique solutions, or creating genuine demand for what you provide, you encourage others to approach you instead. This shifts the balance of influence in your favor and allows you to negotiate with greater confidence. Becoming valuable naturally attracts opportunities without unnecessary disruption. Law number 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Arguments often strengthen people's existing beliefs instead of changing their minds. Demonstrating your point through actions, results, and consistent performance is usually far more convincing than trying to prove something wrong with the words alone. Success speaks louder than debate, and people are more likely to respect what they can see rather than just simply hear. Quiet achievements often has a greater influence than endless discussion. Law number 9. Avoid the unhappy and negative. Emotions can spread through groups just as quickly as enthusiasm or motivation. Constant exposure to people who complain, blames others, and refuse to solve problems can gradually affect your own mindset and productivity, while offering support to those facing genuine difficulties is more important. It is equally important to surround yourself with individuals who encourage growth, optimism, and personal responsibility. Your environment has a powerful influence on your attitude and success. Law number 11. Learn to keep people depend on you. People who possess valuable knowledge or unique skills naturally become more influential because others rely on their expertise. Rather than seeking control over others, focus on becoming someone whose contributions are difficult to replace. Focus on becoming someone whose contributions are difficult to replace. Continuous learning, professional growth, and reliability increase your value in any organization or relationship. The more useful your abilities become, the greater your opportunity and long term security. Law number 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to build trust. Small, genuine acts of honesty and generosity often create stronger relationships than constant self promotion. When people see consistent sincerity, they become more willing to trust your intention and cooperate with you. Authentic kindness should never be used merely as a tactic, but as a part of building lasting credibility. A reputation for fairness and integrity makes it easier to earn respect. Law number 13. When asking for help, appeal to people's self interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. People are generally more willing to help when they clearly see how it benefits them. Instead of relying on sympathy or reminding others of past favors, present your request in a way that creates mutual value. Whether in business or personal relationships, showing someone how your success can also contribute to their own goals is far more persuasive and lasting approach. Law number 14. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Understanding people is one of the greatest sources of influence. Greene explains that careful observation often reveals more than direct questioning because people naturally expose their thoughts, habits, or motivations through everyday conversation and actions. Listening attentively helps you make better decisions and avoid unnecessary surprises. The law is less about deception and more about recognizing. The law is less about deception and more about recognizing that information is valuable, and those who observe carefully often gain an advantage. Law number 5. Crush your enemy totally. Leaving serious conflicts unresolved can allow them to grow stronger and create future problems. Greene argues that when facing determined opposition, half measures often lead to repeated battles. In modern life, this is best understood as solving problems completely rather than letting them continue. Whether it's resolving workplace issues, business disputes, or personal conflict, aim for lasting solutions, then prevent the same challenge for returning again. Law number 16. Use absence to create respect and honor. People often appreciate something more when it is not constantly available. If you are always present, your value may gradually be taken for granted. Creating healthy distance allows others to recognize your importance and give you time to grow personally and professionally. This law reminds us that balance is essential, being available when needed while avoiding becoming so familiar that your presence loses its significance. So that's it from the part 1, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. We will discuss other laws in the part 2 of this video, guys. Thanks for watching.